With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
A box has 5 blue and 4 red balls. One ball is drawn at random and replaced. This is important. Its color is also not noted. Then another ball is drawn at random. What is the probability of second ball being blue? Now we need to find the probability of getting second ball as blue ball. Now we know that in the back we have 5 blue and 4 red balls. Therefore we can say there are total 9 balls. Now in first event one ball is drawn at random and replaced. Now the ball is drawn at random and replaced. Therefore we can safely say that event 2 is not affected by event 1 because this ball is replaced. Therefore we can say that event 2 is independent of event 1. Therefore we need not to consider this given situation, which is one ball is drawn at random and replaced, its color is not noted. We need not to consider this. Now we need to find the probability of getting a blue ball in second drawing. Now it will be simply n of number of blue ball divided by number of total balls, which is, let's say, which is n of s, and this is nothing but equal to 5 by 9. This is our probability of event E. Let's say probability of event E, where E represent probability of getting second ball as blue ball. Therefore 5 by 9 will be our correct answer in this particular question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.